Hey everybody, this is Paul, and I'm excited that my Dendrocalamus giganteus, or dragon bamboo, has new growth this season. It's actually been about 3 years, and I think the results are due to using VermisTerra earthworm castings and their tea. So what I've been doing this past season, since about July, is every 4 to 6 weeks I just apply some earthworm castings, either they're premium or they're regular. And I just kind of toss it around lightly, just like that. And then twice a month, I've been using their VermisTerra earthworm casting tea. And so you can see it's a low NPK, and what it basically does, I'm shaking, sorry. What it basically does is it applies beneficial microbes and enzymes to help absorption of the nutrients. And so this is the first time I've used earthworm castings on my bamboo, and you can see the results. Honestly, these plants, usually this plant is 8 years old, and it aborts almost every season. You can see an abortion of a new shoot from last season, and this one was most likely due to the cold. So this plant only shoots new culms twice a year in Southern California, and that is in the winter where frost can damage it, and then about July during the heat waves. So during the heat waves, we did have some temperatures at 116 degrees, and this plant did fine. You can see it didn't abort a single culm, and I really think it has to do with these earthworm castings and using 3 ounces per gallon of their earthworm casting tea. You can really see the growth of this too. This is the largest one that has shot out of this 8-year-old plant. You can just see the thickness of this Dendrocalamus giganteus. So I really think that using earthworm casting tea and their earthworm castings has really had great results on this variety of bamboo. And last, I want to say, this used to get mealybugs every year, and that would probably, the bamboo mealybug, the noxious mealybug, would be in here, and I don't see any this year, and I did not treat this plant for that. So I'm wondering if maybe the earthworm castings have maybe helped to prevent them from being on this plant. I'm not sure, but this is the best the plant has ever looked in its life here in October in Southern California. So I recommend trying these products out on your bamboo if it's yellow or it's aborting its shoots, because for me, the results have been great. So give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming. Have a great day.